All right, so we've talked about congruent. What does congruent mean?
Two or more of the sides are the same.
So they're the same size and same shape. Okay, we also talked about an M word that we can use when we say corresponding. They also match. Okay, so we're looking at sides and angles that match or correspond. If we look here, I see some lines, I see some loop-dees in the angle spots. What does all that mean?
For all of the sides and all of the angles.
Yeah, so like if there's two little tick marks here and two tick marks here, those sides are the same. So if there's one here and one here, those sides are the same. What about the angles? So if this angle A only has one swoop, which one corresponds or matches with angle A? Angle D. Okay? Same with B and E, C and F. So our focus today is writing that correctly. So if you see here on this top line, that's just saying this triangle, ABC, is congruent, which is that equal sign with the squiggly, to this triangle, DEF. Then we have congruent angles and congruent sides. What symbol do they use to show congruent angles? Yeah, it's like the 2/3 of a triangle there, the like alligator mouth almost, okay? So that means angle A is congruent to angle D. Their sides, they use that bar, that line above the sides. And you have to list both, A and B, otherwise I don't know if I'm going from A to B or A to C. So you have to list both of those. Questions? All right, let's go down. We're just going to look at example 1. Look how they wrote it. And look at their triangles here. So they started with angle J. How many swoops does angle J have?
What line segment?
1. So what angle corresponds in the other triangle? G, because it only has 1. Okay, angle L corresponds with angle I, and angle K corresponds with angle H, because K has 3, H has 3. Then we move on to our sides. JK, how many tick marks does JK have? How many tick marks on that side? 1, so which one corresponds on the other triangle? G and H. Okay, so KL corresponds with? KL has 3, so IH has 3, and then LJ has 2, so IG has 2. Questions with that? All right, let's go up to the top of the next page. Got it. A, you're going to list all the side corresponding measurements and all the corresponding angles. All right, so we're going to do angles first. Angle A is congruent with angle N. They each had 1 tick. And you have to write angle M. So yours should be written just like mine. Okay, now if you listed these in a column and you just went straight down, that's fine. If not, you need to separate them with commas. You can't squash them all together. Okay, angle K is congruent with, okay, O. Anybody get something different? Okay, so yeah, angle O and P both have that right angle or those 90 degrees. But think, when you reflect this and you flip it, which one matches with K? O. Okay, so that's the one you need there, angle O. So then angle B matches with angle N. And we're left with angle S matches with angle P. Questions on that? If you have them, please ask. Okay. Now we're talking side lengths. AB has 1 tick mark. Which other one has 1 tick mark? MP. Oh, excuse me. I marked the wrong one. Sorry. All right. So we had AB is with MN. They had the 4. Sorry. I was looking at the wrong one. And make sure you have that line to indicate the side. BK is congruent to BK has 3. And then you have NO. KS is congruent with OP. And SA is congruent with PM. Good? Okay, so again, make sure you write them with the angle signs, the line signs, and the congruent sign.